Hi, my name is Eva, and I would like to show you how to make a very simple way of making spaghetti. You just need 3 ingredients, which is ground beef, spaghetti noodles, and ragu sauce. I like using the chunky style. So what you do is you start to boil your noodles. When they're finished cooking, you drain them, put them on the side, and then I will show you next what to do. Okay, so I've drained my noodles. In the same pot, I'm going to cook the ground beef till it's done. Okay, after you browned your meat, which I use chuck ground instead of just ground beef, you're ready to put your ragu in, the whole jar. I add a little bit of water. I would say about a 1/4 cup of water. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy this easy to make spaghetti.